Hi, my name's Chloe and I'm with APTS. APTS are a provider of first aid training and first aid supplies. Today, I wanted to show you the Aero Mini Modular First Aid Kit. Emergencies can strike anywhere, at home, at work, on the road, or outdoors. Be prepared with the Mini Modular First Aid Kit. Designed for versatility, this kit features 5 colour-coded injury-specific modules. Burns, eye wounds, twists and sprains, stings and snake bites, and cuts and scrapes. Each module is tailored for quick identification and rapid response during emergencies. The Personal Essentials bag lets you personalise your kit with medications or tools specific to your needs. The Quick Access pouch centralises vital items, ensuring every second counts when it matters most. Compact, durable, and latex-free, the Mini Modular is ideal for small workplaces, homes, vehicles, and adventures. To find out more or view more of our products, visit auspactraining.com.au.